This is what a good like 40% of my mornings look like. I bring the dogs out to the park to play. Same one as usual. Ain't nobody here because it's on off season, so I don't have to worry about them running around or being too loud or anything like that, so I can just let them play as loud as they want. This all started because my dog, the black one there, was digging a hole, and I guess that's a really nice hole. Anyways, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. I had no topic for discussion today, but I needed to put something out, so they're playing. I guess this is just like an update video to what I've been doing, because I do my normal things, my workouts and everything, but right now we're getting ready. We're trying to sell the house and get ready to move. So I haven't been out here picking up trash all that much, nor does it really need it because, again, off season, people aren't out here contributing to the trash. And since I'm the only one who's come out here in 3 days, y'all know I don't contribute to it. So, like, I could go around and pick up sea glass pretty much is all. But I'll probably still do it. See? As soon as they stopped, right back over to the hole. You find a grub or something in there, buddy? No? Just mud. Maybe some clay. Yep. And there they go. And there is my big 90-pound Rottweiler playing in the water. Like an otter. Zephyr. That's all, folks.